Hey, how's it going? We're back and we've got another unboxing. This is Legend Series 13. Stand back. There's a hurricane coming through. It's Air Dan Airways, Dan the Man, and let's get on into it. We got the former World Tag Team Champion, European Champion, and Cruiserweight Champion, the Hurricane. When evil rears its ugly head and the good citizens of the WWE Universe are in need of a hero, there's one resident, crime fighter that's always ready for truth and justice. Keeping his identity a secret underneath a mask and a cape, his superhuman strength and power to take flight off the top rope helps him prevail against WWE's most notorious villains. He never gives up. He never quits. He fights the good fight until the very end. So stand back. There's a hurricane coming through. So we're ready to start unboxing it. Today our special guest here to help us is none other than Antonio Jr. You better stand back, because Antonio Jr. is coming through. Alright, let's go ahead and crack the seals here. Be careful. Knives, they're very sharp, especially this one. Get all the tape. So you can open the box, because I like to save the boxes in case you haven't noticed. Then you can put your figures back in there and say you have a complete figure, even though it's not mint, but it's still complete, right? You got everything. So we're gonna go ahead and we got him out of the pretty much just a regular or elite. You know, he's got the cape on him. Right away, I noticed the hands are so big for this action figure. I think they need to do something about that, because the hands don't match the body. They're a little too large, but all in all, it's a well put together figure. The cape was stuck there. They had the cape taped to the packaging, and they had those clear rubber bands that they stick on the figures to keep it nice and secure inside the package. The cape detailing isn't too bad. The elbows got the new double joint that the elites are featuring. That bright green color. It's one of the cool things about the Hurricane. His costume's it stands out a lot. The bright green. It's almost like DX green, but Hurricane green. So you better stand back. There's a hurricane coming through. That's pretty much your regular elite. Nothing special other than it's rare Hurricane. They don't make that many Hurricane figures, but it's a must-have for all collectors. So once again, stand back. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Take care.